video for the series of the single seed challenge for 2021 for my channel here at Mind, Body, and Soil. If you haven't seen my first video, I'll put a link below and you can go check that one out, either before you finish watching this or after. The choice is totally yours. I have decided on the 2 plants that I'm going to choose for my single seed challenge. Yes, I know, it says single seed. Believe me, I'm only going to use 1 seed from the packet, from each packet I should say. Got 2 packets here. So I will use 1 seed from this one, 1 seed from that one. That's the challenge, correct? I don't think there's any guideline that says you can't do more than 1 single seed. So therefore, my ornamental plant will be the swan gourd. I've been curious about this one since I've seen the picture, and I just have to grow it. I just have to grow it. I've got to see if these plants come out looking like a swan with the face and all. It's killing me. I don't know if that's the way that they really look, or if, try not to get a glare on it from the light. I don't know if that's how they really look, or if that face is painted on there. I'm so curious to find out. I'm sure if you have any information on growing swan gourd, comment below. I'd love to pick your brain with some helpful hints and tips on how to make sure that these grow well. Now, my second choice is the dwarf blue Scotch curled kale. And this is more functional because I need to eat. And I love kale. I love kale chips. I love kale in my smoothies. These I chose because it says so easy. I want to have some success with my challenge. Therefore, I figured planting these as opposed to the regular kale might give me a little bit better luck. But of course, being me, I couldn't just leave it at that. I had to go and try to up the game one more time. So therefore, I am going to do 3 different containers of the swan gourd and 3 different containers of the kale. Why? Because I want to conduct an experiment for my own knowledge and see what works best for me here in my Zone 5B garden. I'm going to do 1 seed sown in my winter sowing process. So I need to get those out there ASAP, because tomorrow is February 1st and I started the other ones 16 days ago. So they've got a little bit of a jump, but not really if you consider how winter sowing goes. They've been in the cold a few more days longer, and that's pretty much it. The second seed planted out when it's supposed to be sown outdoors, and I will have a roped off area in my garden just for that 1 seed, or the 2 seeds for each one of the seeds I should say. And it will be designated with a special marker saying single seed challenge, and I will take care of those just like I take care of the rest of the crops that I grow in my raised beds up on the hill. And the third method, I'm going to start indoors under grow lights. I just want to see which one performs the best, which one will give me the better yield at the end of the harvest, which one needs more care, which one is pretty much carefree and just does its own thing. There's so many variables that that I need to find out in what really affects the way our seed grows. And I think by having the 3 different methods of the same 1 seed excuse me, should prove for a great outcome. And it can serve double duty by being a part of the curriculum for my homeschool / childcare program. They can get to watch firsthand the growing process, which most of them already know, but maybe by the summer I'll have new children that haven't been in the garden before, so this will be all new to them. But at any rate, they'll learn how to maintain data. They will learn graphing and charting. They will learn all types of things for their curriculum. Therefore, it's a win-win all the way around. They'll figure out what worked and what didn't work. Did we do what we need to change for next year? All kinds of things that, all kinds of things I can just pull out of learning and let them flourish as young gardeners. I've got to go over and get some extra supplies at the store, and then I will get everything set up, and on Saturday I will start my process of single seed sowing. I may start the winter sowing a little early because they all don't have to get started at the same time, so that's the thing. I'll get the winter sowing started ASAP because they need to get out there and have that cold stratification, and then according to the backs of the packet, then I will do the outdoor direct sowing method, and then also according to their instructions, do the indoor seed sowing process where I put them under the grow light, and I have heated seedling mats now, so that should help keep everything germinating strongly. Alright guys, I will look for your videos and under the hashtag so I can see what everyone else is doing. Don't mind me. Go right ahead and make yourself at home on my channel and look around. Hopefully I will have something out there that interests you, and if not, just send me a message. I don't mind personally making something for you if there's something that you want to know about. I will let you know, and I don't say much about it anywhere, but I have been a part of the Master Gardener program for Scott County since 2010. So I do know things that were taught to me from that program, not to mention growing up in a home where we always had a garden, so I have firsthand experience and the other educational aspect on top of that. So if there's anything that you want to know or would like to see me cover, please let me know. I'll leave my email below, or you can send me a direct message through Instagram. All my contact information will be below this video for a way for you to reach me. But for this, make sure you use the Mind, Body, and Soil link. Alright guys, that's it. Let me get started. I look forward to seeing what you guys are doing for your single seed challenge. Have fun and keep it green.